Tamad na ba akong mag-live for today's video? For today's video! Tinamad ako. Raj Ali, hello darling. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Hi, salamat. I'm feeling fresh. So this is the underwear I've used because I'm so feel comfortable with this underwear. Salamat, Mama Eli. Guys, visit also Mama Eli, guys, and please do subscribe to her channel. I'm not wearing T-back because, naiirita ako. I'm not used to, wear T-back. I just used to wear the regular panty. La 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 la. So I am using this Jijo Aloe Vera, 95% aloe vera for the moisturizing for our face. You can use it also to your hair and to your dry skin. Thank you guys for coming. Please, hope you guys give me a thumbs up. Please, guys, give me like or dislike. Yata nagitamad na kong live. Hindi na ni-recommend ni Lolo yung aking channel. Maybe Lolo is angry with me. I don't know why. What's my mistake? And for the lotion, I am using this Vaseline with Serum Burst UV lotion. This smells good actually.